You are late to class, the door opens slowly. Every eye turns to look at you, and now, the teacher decides your fate. In some countries, you write lines until your hand goes numb. In others, you frog jump across the classroom floor. And in some places, the punishment is so creative, so unexpected, you will never be late again. Let's see how teachers punish late students in 25 countries around the world.